We got the beauty boxes for the month of June. If you are new to my channel, I do this every month. I do 3 boxes. I have the Allure Beauty Box, the Eyescream Beauty Box, and Boxy Charm by Ipsy. I list the prices of all the products on the screen. Only one of them doesn't have all full sizes. That is the Allure one, and I let you know if it's full size or not and what I'm showing you. Let's get into the first one. This is the Allure Beauty Box. Here's the inside of the box. And of course, as always, they put a little pamphlet that gives you some details about the products and the pricing and what it does. First thing out of the box is Boxy Power Liner. This one is in High Def Honey. I normally don't use lip liner, but this is a good color, so I'm gonna hold on to it and think about it, but I might use this. This is Naked Sundays SPF 50 plus Collagen Glow Mineral Sunscreen. This is $34. This is full size. It looks like it has a tint in it too. It says a priming lotion, so that's interesting. So this is a sunscreen priming lotion. Yeah, so I might be using this very soon just because of the whole SPF. It's summer, I'm going to be outside more, so I will be giving that a try. Next we have is Truly Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. This is full size, which retails for $30. If you are on TikTok, this is all over TikTok right now. I think they're having a sale on it right now. I don't know how long that'll last though, but I'm kind of into it because look at that glitter. I do use body oil pretty regularly. It's really good for your skin. Really helps with keeping moisture in there if you want to reduce your signs of aging, keep your skin moisturized. It's really, not only is it really beautiful, it smells divine. This is Luna Nectar Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate and Blur Serum, and this retails for $39. I don't know anything about this blur serum. I'm not really sure how that would work. I'm used to primers doing the blurring, not so much serums, but I love a good serum. This is very liquidy for a serum, but yeah, that is what it looks like. It is a glass bottle, so I'm actually kind of pleased with that. This is Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Shampoo, and this is a sample size, which is 100 milliliter. The full size is 350 milliliter, which retails for $36. I've never heard of this brand before, so I don't really have any thoughts about it. If you've ever tried this brand before, let me know your experience with it, because I am curious. Okay, so they included a conditioner to go with it, so you have a system. This is, of course, Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Conditioner. And of course, the full size retails for $36, and this is just the sample size. We are moving on to the next box, which is Eyescream Beauty. They tend to focus a lot on indie brands, which I'm a big fan of. This is the inside of the box. They did include the missing product from last time, which is the Appeal Hydrating Eye Primer. So this is kind of impressive. They included 2 eyeshadow palettes. This is Multi-Chromes Palettes by Charmacy Global, and they retail for $30 each. This is palette number 1, and that is so freaking cute. I adore that. These are the colors swatched. Look how beautiful and sparkly those are. Those are really, really pretty. This is palette number 2. It looks similar, but it is different. You see that right there. These are the colors for palette number 2. I absolutely love these. These are so pretty. Next we have Candy Apple Blush by Ofra Cosmetics, and this retails for $29. Now, I've used Ofra Cosmetics before. I do like their products. I haven't used a lot of it in a while, but I am going to swatch that and we're going to see. Okay, that is a really pretty color. Complements my skin very nicely. I will be using this a lot. This is Elite Multi-Chrome Gel Eyeliner by Illuminati Cosmetics, and this retails for $21. This is some different packaging. I am a big fan of Illuminati Cosmetics. They are just really, really pretty. This is not what I was expecting. This is kind of a silvery, almost a silvery blackish color, but more on the silver side. Let's swatch that. That is super pretty. Look at the reflection in that too. That is really nice. Yeah, this is Matcha Lip Gloss Duo by Rachel Couture. This retails for $22. I love the two colors on here. I'm a big fan of gloss in general, so I like the fact that they're both gloss. These are the two glosses swatched side by side. This one, that's really, really pretty. And the clear one's obviously clear, but I swatched it anyways, just so we can see it. But they are very nice, and they feel very nice on my skin. Last in the box is a brush and a mini sponge set by Base Blue Cosmetics, and this set retails for $17. Yeah, mini sponges are great for concealer and just, or powder, one or the other. But I've not seen a brush with one of these before. Okay, so there's the brush. It is very soft, which I'm surprised, but it says, not sure if this is, let's see. It pretty much just says you can use it for whatever, which I'm gonna anyway, but yeah, that's interesting to me. Kind of like that. Last box is the Ipsy box. They don't put a pamphlet in there that lists anything, so I'm gonna have to look that up, but I will have the prices on the screen. But that one's not as exciting to look at. You just see the brown stuff in there. And they do have this, which doesn't list anything. Has a sneak peek for next month. That's pretty much about it. This is Fenty Beauty. This is an eye cream. I don't know much about this eye cream. I think it's more like a balm. I'm not entirely sure. But I'm not opening it yet because I'm using a product. But that is what it looks like. This is from Glow Girl Cosmetics. This is a lip oil. Love my lip oils. This is in shade Literally. That looks very vibrant and red. There's the lip oil swatched. It's not as overbearing as I thought it was going to be. It's very light, very much a tint of red to it. It's pretty. This is a perfume, and I'm going to try to say this. This is Maison Louise Marie in number 4. There's the container. This is a good travel size to throw in a purse or bag or wherever. This is different. I'm not sure what all the scents I smell are. It smells like there could be it almost smells herbal, but I like it. It's nice. The next thing we have is Strawberry Lemonade Soothing Scrub. This is from I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm not going to try to, but that is what it looks like. I guess this is a sugar exfoliant. I don't know if this is the face or the body. Okay, so this is a facial scrub, which I like a good facial scrub. Last thing I got is First Aid Beauty. This is a face cleanser. I have tried this brand before. I do like this brand very much. It's really good. But anyways, that is it of all my beauty items for the month of June. Let me know what you think down below, what you think of the boxes, the items in it. Anything you want me to try out, just let me know. Otherwise, that is it of this video. And if you liked it, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.